Let's get our Gua Sha tool out and ready for this routine. Make sure your face is clean and washed, then pat dry. To begin, if you have a facial mist, apply that. If not, you can just go straight to applying a facial oil or serum all over your face and neck area. Apply plenty of it so that you have a slippery surface for the tool to easily glide on your skin. To promote more circulation and flow, gently massage the following places 5 times. First, the armpits, and then the collarbone, then behind the ears, press on your nostrils, massage in between your brows, and lastly, massage your temples. Afterwards, we'll be taking the Gua Sha tool and doing each movement 5 times. If you want, you can wiggle the tool at the end for tension relief if that feels good for you. First, we'll start off with the side of the neck. Hold the tool at a slight angle with the curved part on the skin and gently scrape from the base of your neck upward towards your ears. If it helps, you can place your fingers on your shoulder. Moving to the front of your neck, use the same angle and gently go up to your jawline. If it helps, place your fingers on your chest. Using the indented part of the tool, move from the center of your chin towards your earlobes along your jawline. The tool should be angled flat against your skin at all times. If it helps, place your fingers on your chin. Now with the flat part, we're also going to go right under the chin and then down the side of your neck. This is supposed to help with double chin. Going up to the cheek, use the curved part to scrape outward from your nose to your hairline across your cheek. You can keep your fingers placed on your chin. Next, we'll go over the lips to mid-cheek. You can use the curved part or indented part. You can hold the other side of your lips. This is supposed to help with smile lines. We're now going to very gently smooth the edge of the tool to lightly scrape the inner corner of under your eye out and upward towards your temple. You can place your fingers on your nose. Next, we'll do the cheekbones using the indented part of the tool. Then use one of the small parts of the indent to move up your nose. You can place your fingers on the other side of your nose if that helps. Use the indented part of the tool to move across your eyebrow to your temples. You can place your fingers in between your eyebrows. This is supposed to help with the 11 line. Lastly, keep your fingers in between your eyebrows. Use the curved part to scrape upward from your eyebrows towards your hairline. Do this to each section of your forehead. This may help with frown lines. Now we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. So we'll start with the side of the neck. Remember to hold the tool at a slight angle with the curved part on the skin and gently scrape from the base of your neck upward towards your ears. If it helps, you can place your fingers on your shoulders. Move to the front of your neck using the same angle going up to your jawline. Now we'll do the jawline. Using the indented part of the tool, go from the center of your chin out towards your earlobe along your jaw. Remember, the tool should be angled flat against your skin. If it helps, place your fingers on your chin. Now with the flat part, we're also going to go right under the chin and then down the side of your neck. Next is your cheeks, using the curved part to scrape outward from your nose to your hairline. We'll then go over the lips to mid-cheeks. You can hold the other side of your lips. Now very gently smooth the edge of the tool from the inner corner of under your eye out and upward towards your temples. Going to the cheekbones, use the indented part of the tool. Using one of the small parts of the indent, we'll go up the nose now, placing your finger on the other side of your nose if that helps. Now across your eyebrows using the indented part of the tool. Place your fingers in between your eyebrows. And lastly, we'll finish with doing across the forehead, keeping your fingers in between your eyebrows. Use the curved part to scrape upward from your eyebrows towards your hairline. Do this to each section of your forehead. To help relieve some extra tension in your head, you can scrape it right along the front part of your hairline. That's all for the routine. Once you're done, you can follow up with your normal skincare routine. Make sure to clean your Gua Sha tool with soap and water so bacteria doesn't build up on it. Thank you so much for watching, and check back in for my results videos after 30 days of doing this daily.